Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Namaskar. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, depending upon when you are seeing this video. So first things first, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Darpan Supekar and I am currently pursuing my engineering degree in information technology, or as we call it, IT nowadays. Right now I am in my third year, obviously from Zeal College of Engineering and Research. Without wasting any time, let's move on to PPT. The PPT will mainly consist of 6 points: introduction, motivation, problem statement, objective, application, and conclusion. We shall proceed one by one. And before that, I would like to make a special mention to my project guides, Professor Supriya Patil ma'am and Professor Ankita Patil ma'am. You all are here with the excitement of what this project actually is. If you have seen the movie, the Cloak of Invisibility was a magical artifact used to render the wearer's invisibility, and one of the fabled Deathly Hollows. Also, while making this project, I used Python, OpenCV, and major concepts like HSV and CDS, which I will explain later in this presentation. We just don't dig into any topic unless and until we have motivation or some sort of connection for that particular thing. It is very important for us to understand while creating such kinds of project, we need to think out of the box. And for that, I took help of computational thinking, which in my words, I would like to call human logic and computer brain. And that's why I would like to quote myself. Motivation leads to hard work leads to productivity leads to invention, and invention leads to greatness. My motivation to make a project was so in deep that working hard and creating it was the only choice I had. I was so focused on the goal that I did something productive every day. Also, that's how I came across the serious benefits of this project. After successfully deploying the project, I was standing on the 7th cloud. Now let us see the problem statement we have. Our current problem statement is to build Harry Potter's cloak. Like me, lots of other people around the globe are crazy fans of Harry Potter. And somewhere down the line, everyone wanted to have that Harry Potter's cloak so that they could brag it in front of their friends, look cooler, host anybody, and most importantly have fun. And yes, I'm somewhat trying to make it become a reality. The objective was to design a program in such a way that whenever a blanket comes out in front of the screen, the area covering the blanket should become invisible, just like on this slide right now. And to make this magical experience come true, we had to use Python and the combination of a lot of methods and functions on it. So I'll quickly cover one or two functions that I used for this program. HSV, that is hue saturation value, is self-explanatory in itself. Still, if you don't get it, I'm here to explain. So we all know that there are basically 7 colors, or as we call it WebGear. That is indigo, violet, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Now think, what if you take 2 colors and mix it up? You will obviously get a new color. This is not a rocket science, right? It is a simple concept, but what you are actually doing is changing the hue and saturation of these 2 colors. And the new color obtained has some value assigned to it, which is eventually called the hue saturation value. Also, it is not mandatory to take only 2 colors. You can take multiple colors as your convenience. Now we come across a long technical term. And before we move on, I want to stress on the importance of this topic. Despite of all the fun in the Harry Potter Clocks project, this concept has some serious implementation. Color-based image segmentation, which is used in this project, also helps the computer to learn how to detect the tumor. When dealing with an MRI scan, the program has to detect the cancer level of the said MRI scan. It does this by segmenting the scan into different grayscale levels, just like on the screen, in which the darkest is most filled with the cancerous cells, and the closest to white are the healthier parts. Then it calculates the degree of membership of the tumor to each grayscale level. With this information, the program is able to detect or identify the tumor and its stage. And the values which are seeing below the grayscale segmentation diagram are the HSV values which are assigned to each layer. What is the use of making a project if we cannot use it in our day-to-day life? Now let's see some of the applications. Can be used in the medical fields while proceeding a surgery. Can be used in the military sector, helping in detecting the landmines. Improving the range of wireless devices by allowing waves to bend and flow around the obstructing objects. Some of the fun applications would be making a large building invisible so that the park on the other side can be seen. Ghost someone, same as in the Harry Potter movie. The best example ever. Now I would like to take a 10-second pause and allow you to watch this video. I am sure some of you would be getting nostalgic by now. And for others, this footage is from the blockbuster movie Avengers. The concept used here is retro-reflecting panels, which if put on a blanket, can turn this Python code into an actual physical thing. If these words are too technical for you, don't worry, we shall soon see the project deployment and you will have a crystal clear vision. A good project needs to have a good conclusion. And by successfully deploying this project, we can goof around with friends and most importantly can be helpful in medical as well as defense sector. As you can see on the screen is the Python code. Majority of the code and concepts related to it are already explained in the PPT, and hence I'll directly execute the code as we have time limitations. The IDE which I used here is PyCharm and there is no compulsion to use this. It is convenient for me, so I went with it. So that's it from my side. My name is Arpan Supekar and I want to thank you all for being so patient and staying till the very end of this video. I hope you like the project and I shall be seeing you soon. Until then, sayonara.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.